If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little?
Good morning from El Meco Falls, from me and my pup. Hey you. Good morning. Oh. Yeah. Oh, this puppy is so cute. So, camping spot was beautiful. The sound of the water in the night. But this is the place. Today I think I will move on and I'm gonna head basically just down the river to another area where there's waterfalls. It's supposed to be also really nice. And it's called not El Meco, but El Mico. Yeah, you're just so friendly. Yeah, so loving. Okay. So yeah, I'm excited for the ride. It's a bright and clear day. Okay. Today's gonna be a good day. Lots of love. ¿Qué pasa, mi amor?
Many people ask me what made me leave my life in New York to travel on my motorcycle indefinitely. And, well, there are many answers to this. But for one, about 2 years ago, before leaving New York, many changes were occurring in my life. I had big decisions to make about job opportunities, and I had also just gotten my first motorcycle. At that time, I had been studying topics under yoga philosophy, and my perspective about, well, everything had started to shift. I ended up walking away from those job opportunities and took my first motorcycle trip instead, a 1-month trip riding around Vermont. You see, I had come to understand the immense importance of getting myself into a good feeling state as one of the best things I could do for my path forward. I was at a crossroads in my life, and I didn't know what to do. I only knew that the motorcycle was my vehicle, both physically and metaphorically, that put me into that state of feeling good. I knew that spending time on the motorcycle was time well spent because it gave me that connection to my heart and soul. And so I spent that month riding every day, exploring Vermont. When, by the way, I had less than 2 months of experience on a motorcycle. It was then that I got very clear insight about my next step. There was no more questioning. I just knew. My next step was to spend time abroad. So I went to Guatemala for half a year. I rented a motorcycle there, and on that trip, I got my next insight. And that was to ride my own bike from New York down to Mexico. Quite frankly, I really don't know why. But all I'm concerned with is getting myself more and more consistently into that connected state and listening for my next step.